World War II officially began on September 1st, 1939, when Germany attacked Poland and defeated 6 other countries. The United States planned to stay out of the war, but they were definitely not neutral in their sympathies. They were willing to help their allies who were already in the war. As the war progressed, the U.S. moved from neutral to preparedness. Then, on December 7, 1941, the U.S. Pacific Fleet was attacked by Japan at Pearl Harbor. Hundreds of aircrafts and battleships were damaged. In just 2 hours, more than 2,400 Americans were killed. 4 days later, Adolf Hitler declared war on the United States. The U.S., the British, the Soviet Union, China, and France sought to defeat Germany, Japan, and the other Axis forces. Battles were fought in all continents except for Antarctica. U.S. factories began producing material for the war. When men left for war, women began to take their places in the factories. The Allies had great military and technological advantages. Slowly but surely, the U.S. and the Allies began to defeat the Axis forces. The European Axis groups were defeated in northern Africa. The Nazis were defeated once the Allies landed in Normandy, shortly after Italy left the Axis powers. The war ended in Europe on May 8, 1945, when Germany surrendered and Berlin was captured. In 1944 and in 1945, the U.S. defeated the Japanese Navy and captured key western Pacific islands. On August 6, 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese city of Hiroshima, and on August 9th, on the Japanese city of Nagasaki. Japan surrendered on August 15th. The Allied forces had victory over the Axis powers.